Almost everyone's saying the Galaxy S7 Edge was leaked, and Kanye West causes a torrent of controversy. I'm Ayaz Akhtar, filling in for Bridget Carey, who's on assignment. This is your CNET Update. Did the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge get leaked by Samsung itself? Check out this unlisted video posted by Samsung Indonesia on YouTube. Its title is Samsung Galaxy, Get Ready for the Next Galaxy. It shows off a Galaxy Edge of some kind, and reports are buzzing everywhere that it must be the Galaxy S7 Edge. There's a shot of the phone in the pouring rain. The S6 line is not water resistant, so people are jumping to the conclusion that this must be the S7 Edge. Strangely, in the description itself, Samsung Indonesia says, the scene in the video is for dramatization purposes only. This product is not water resistant, and it should not be exposed to and/or submerged into water or liquid. So is it the S7? Compare the video to images posted by Evan Blass on his EvLeaks Twitter account. Is it the same phone? I'm not sure. We'll all find out on February 21st at Samsung's Unpacked event. Samsung's arch rival LG introduced new phones to remind people, hey, LG still exists. Okay, that was harsh. LG makes some really great phones. Say hello to the LG Stylus 2, and according to LG, it has a pen with a nano-coated tip for more accuracy compared to the previous rubber-tipped pen. That's a quote. But wait, there's more. LG also introduced the X-Cam phone, which has 2 cameras on the back, and the X-Screen phone, which features a second 1.76-inch screen that is above the phone's 4.9-inch screen. All of these phones officially debut at Mobile World Congress, where they will likely be overshadowed by LG's new flagship, the LG G5. Meanwhile, Jay-Z's music streaming service Tidal is getting everyone's attention right now thanks to Kanye West. West's new album, The Life of Pablo, hit Tidal first and was available for purchase on West's own site. West then pulled the album from his site and announced on Twitter, "My album will never, never, never be on Apple, and it will never be for sale. You can only get it on Tidal." The Tidal app then became the #1 app in Apple's US App Store. Torrent Freak reports that The Life of Pablo has already been illegally torrented 500,000 times. In other West news, he announced on Twitter that he is $53 million in debt. Then he hit up Mark Zuckerberg for a $1 billion investment in Kanye West ideas. After a series of tweets directed at Zuckerberg, he then added, "Hey Larry Page, I'm down for your help too." That's it for this very odd edition of Tech News Update. For everything else, check out CNET.com. From our studios in New York, I'm Ayaz Akhtar.